What is the principle of neuromechanical matching? I highly recommend everybody watch this video because this is one of the most important physiology mechanisms to understand for hypertrophy, and I especially recommend the neuromechanical matching deniers to watch this video so that they actually know what it is, because they don't know. So what the principle of neuromechanical matching tells us is that muscles or regions of muscles that have better leverage, which comes from having a longer internal moment arm length, are going to be preferentially activated over muscles with worse leverage. For example, in the frontal plane, the lower lats have better leverage than the upper lats, so it's going to be preferentially activated. In the sagittal plane, the upper lats have much better leverage than the lower lats, so it's going to be preferentially activated. Or if we look here at the elbow flexors, at 40 degrees of elbow flexion, the biceps are what have best leverage, so it's going to be preferentially activated over the other elbow flexors. And over here, the brachioradialis has better leverage compared to the other elbow flexors, so it's going to be preferentially activated. And the reason why this is to be efficient. Like, why would you recruit a muscle with worse leverage and then have less joint torque for the same amount of muscle force? It's just a waste of energy. So we do this so that we can maximize the joint torque for the amount of muscle force that we produce. And how this applies to hypertrophy is you would want to train a muscle where it has its best relative leverage based off of its internal moment arm length, so that that muscle gets preferentially activated, so that you can recruit as many muscle fibers as you can in that muscle so that you can maximize hypertrophy. I gave some examples earlier, like I said, with the lats and the elbow flexors.